Need to reset all settings on your Canon camera? If your menus are confusing or settings are mixed up, starting fresh is the fastest fix. Resetting everything takes just a minute and puts your camera back to default. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to clear all settings on your Canon camera. Let's get started. First, turn on your camera. Now press the menu button. Next, go to the wrench icon using the arrow button. Here you will get 4 dots wrench icons. You need to go to the 4th wrench icon. Here you will find the clear settings option. Tap on it, then select the clear all camera settings. Next, click the set button, then select OK, and then click the set button to confirm it. Wait for a while, and it's cleared everything. This will reset all shooting settings, custom functions, and menu settings to default. But it does not delete photos from your memory card, although you will need to re-enter the date, time, and language and any custom settings after the reset. And that's it. Now you know how to clear all settings on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and goodbye for now.